Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to resolve the Microsoft Teams error code CAA20002. Something went wrong, we couldn't sign you in. If this error persists, Microsoft recommends contacting your system administrator and providing the error code. And now let's get started. Start by opening the search menu, typing Internet Options, and selecting the best match. In the Internet Options window, go to the Advanced tab and scroll down. If you see Use TLS 1.0 or 1.1 checked, uncheck them, then click Apply and OK. Once done, check if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, open the search menu again, type Programs, and select Add or Remove Programs. In the Search Apps field at the top, type Teams. And when Microsoft Teams appears, click the three-dot icon next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section, and first, try selecting Repair. This will fix the app without affecting its data. Once repaired, relaunch Teams and check if the issue is fixed. If Teams still isn't working, return to the Advanced Options section and select Reset. Keep in mind that this will delete the app's data, including preferences and sign-in details. Confirm by clicking Reset. Then close the window and restart your computer. Before ending this video, I'd like to mention that I create high-quality, tech-related videos every day. If you enjoy my content and want to support my work, please stay tuned. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.